Circle the vowels in the following words. नीचे दिए गए अल्फाज में हरूफ इल्लत के गिर्द दायरा लगाइए. Here is a word man. M-A-N. Man. A is vowel in the word man, so we circle A. Here is a word cup. C-U-P. Cup. U is vowel in the word cup, so we encircle U. Here is a word dog. D-O-G. Dog. O is vowel in the word dog, so we encircle O. Here is a word hen. H-E-N. Hen. So we encircle E. Here is a word zip. Z-I-P. Zip. I is vowel in the word zip, so we encircle I. Here is a word rat. R-A-T. Rat. A is vowel in the word rat, so we encircle A. Here is a word owl. O-W-L. Owl. O is vowel in the word owl, so we encircle O. Here is a word jug. J-U-G. Jug. U is vowel in the word jug, so we encircle U. Here is a word mug. M-U-G. Mug. U is vowel in the word mug, so we encircle U.